What's up all, Geoff back with another quick lesson for you. Today I'm looking at the 6-stroke roll in the Freestyle Rudiments book. This is position number 3. It's the standard one which goes right, left, left, right, right, left. Right, left, left, right, right, left. What we're doing today though is we're tagging that onto other drum kit ideas. In this case we're going to be doing linear 3s, which means I'm going right hand, left hand and bass drum like this. I'm doing it twice like this. And then I'm playing the 6-stroke like this. Real simple idea. Go try it out, see what else you can come up with. See you again soon.